Hey everyone. Sorry about the last thing, right? Similarly, I would have, if anyone is new to the stream, this is like a continuation of my old stream. So, I had to end that stream, so you can go to this playlist and then see this. This is the first part of it. This is going to be the second part. I did not get your comment, bro. You should start promoting what, bro? What should I start promoting? Mhm. Whenever we are adding a new driver, either we can accept that ID or we can just call it something. Bro, that means a lot to me. Even now, bro, I have so many good subscriber. It's like I have like if you see my LinkedIn, not sure Enoch if you're listening. Uh, if you are not so if you're listening probably so bro, I there is no point of me promoting. And if you see on LinkedIn, right, I have never not made a single post about my channel. It's good, bro, slow and steady. There is no I have no hurry of growing or like promoting my channel, so it's fun, bro. Even if I do it alone, I'll be doing because I am learning, right? Even if I'm like writing a single line of code here without talking to anyone, then also I'm learning. So yeah, that is what, right? I just come live, bro. I never do, I never. But that's why I always, whenever I come live, I always ask people to like the stream because most of them find it randomly. I think Enoch, you would have also found it randomly only, right? Like no one would have shared my channel to you, or you would have not seen a LinkedIn post or what. You just have, it would have just come to your YouTube suggestion. So that's the power of YouTube, and I feel that's the power of yeah 1 a.m. feeding. Yeah, yeah. See, so if just like probably you might already know this, but if you see, right? So I have been doing live from I think 5 months now. So when did I start? I started in January. So this is live stream O1, right? So and there would be stream. You'll see that I think now people have started watching the old stream also for some reason. But you see 1 hour stream and then only 11 views, right? That's good, bro. But it feels good to see how long I have come. Even my thumbnails have improved. Earlier I was keeping it like this. I thought that there is no point of my I'm learning design also on the side. My thumbnails have improved and whatnot, right? So today will be 1 or 2 sessions. So it's really good, bro. And I think as long as you like the video, you share like you like it, that's good enough, bro. There is no point of me promoting the channel. That's good enough, right? Cool. So we will have driver and then driver will have all its getters and setters, right? So for getters and setters, I am going to use again, bro, I forgot how was that? Yes. I'm going to use auto suggestions for getters and setters. Uh, If someone is wondering how this is coming, so it will come automatically in your VS Code, but I have turned it off so that I don't. But now for getters and setter, I don't want to type that part out. So I'll be just doing this. In an in interview, I generally avoid it. In an interview, what I do is I make this public. I'll just tell the concept and then I'll make it public so that I don't have to write getters and setters. So, but if anyone is wondering, in Mac, it is option slash forward slash. That's the shortcut. But first you have to turn off the setting. But by the way, thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. It means a lot, guys. So all the getters we have, setters we don't need. So we need a set status, but the public driver. Oh, set status is already there. My bad. Harvinder Singh, bro, no, I'll push it once this session ends. As of now, bro, I generally work from Hyderabad, but I have a back injury, so I have to take like break every 35 minutes. So that's why I'm currently working from home, but I'll be soon in Hyderabad again. I work from Hyderabad most of the times. So again, some of these decisions, I'm just making it to make the code simple. I don't want to make the code unwantedly complex. What's up, guys? If anyone is watching, I'm not looking at the chat, but if anyone is watching, what's up? How's everyone doing? What happened, bro? You're not able to subscribe to the channel. Arvinder. Hi, Arvinder. Thanks for the thumbnails appreciation. Oh, thanks, Arikesh. Bro, you will get both options, subscribe and join. There will not be like one option. Oh, sorry, bro. Here. This is, bro, I have pinned a link. You guys can know more about me there. And also, I have put it in a thumbnail, right? In a thumbnail with Microsoft engineer. So I work at Microsoft as a software engineer. Again, bro, let's just use uh, the autocomplete for getters and setters. I have a call at 6, so I'll be ending this stream at 6 with whatever I am able to do. We have 45 minutes, so enough time is remaining. What is this going to override? I think. Yeah, okay, let's override toString also. This is a good suggestion. Damn it, I don't do this. So you can watch my videos on the. I don't use Spring Boot, bro. This is not Spring Boot. Nitin Dayala. No, no, this is not Spring Boot. Lombok is a Spring Boot concept, right? I don't know Spring Boot. I only know plain Java. But I use it for my LLD. So, but you are correct. I think in Lombok, Beans, and all those are concept of Java. You can use that. But then things depend, like things are very much like you should know Spring Boot, right? Like if someone doesn't know Spring Boot, then they have to first learn that. So, which is again a challenge. So that's why I don't do it that way. Akhil Madhu learning. Golang, bro. I have experience in Golang, C Sharp, Python. But it's just that I do DS in Java. So Java is a language which I can code without using internet. So I think so there should be a language that you guys can write a whole code without internet, right? So without using any internet. So that I can do in Java only. So that's why I just use Java. So we need to create a singleton instance. So singleton we did for Amazon service also yesterday. So in singleton you'll basically have a write service and you'll have an instance of this, and then you'll need to have a private, but that would be public, static synchronized uh, get instance of this write service. If instance is equal to null, instance is equal to new write service, um, and then you return instance. This has to be public because it can only be used at, but you need a constructor which will be of private type write service, and then you will be initializing things here. Akhil Madhu learning, bro. If you're new to the channel, you can just these videos, bro. I think you will see all of the videos. So I have videos on my channel. So you can watch that, and even if you just look at my lead code, you will get an idea how did I achieve. So it's pure hard work, bro. You can look at my lead code. So when I was studying, this is how my lead code used to look like. This is 30, 3,400 submissions in 2024. Total active days 348. That's how anyone can achieve anything in life. But that is just one picture. So along with that, I did a lot of HLD and LLD also. So once you are experienced, DSA can only help you so much. Like it can't help you with everything. So you need to do a lot of other things also. Nitin Dayala, bro, you should first of all you should know Java. So not Java, sorry, DSA. But if you want to know in detail, you can just watch this video, bro. This video. And I do live stream every night, which is where you can join in. So this is like a LLD specific, but in night there is a here, right? You see, ask me anything at 10:30. So I'll answer your questions at 10:30, bro, in detail if you want an answer. Mandrinath, yes, bro. If you're getting a referral from engineering manager, that matters a lot because anyway you are going to join his team only, right? So if you are like uh, good with code forces, then OA is like piece of cake. But to become good with code forces, you need a lot of practice, right? And I believe you have done that. Nitil Dayali, bro, have already answered your question that you need to focus on DSA and then some projects. But if in detail, you can watch that video. Or you can ping me on LinkedIn also, that's also fine. Yes, bro. Yes, Sarvinder. Saraj Chandra, other people like Arindam Datta had joined in, right? So you can also join the Telegram chat. I think it's straightforward, bro. Arindam, can you help him if you're there in the chat? Saraj Chandra, how he can join the chat? Yeah, Flipkart round is exception, bro. But if you really want to work at Flipkart, then you have to do. But in I have written like code for 1.5 hours in other companies also, startups, good startups. In some companies you'll have to write diagram. Oh, yeah, Arindam Datta. So as of now, no design patterns, bro, just singleton and strategy. But you can use observer pattern here, like to notify the drivers, right? But I don't know of that. I'll have to also learn, so I'll probably learn that. Right now, I have a call at 6, so I'll be like skipping that. But here I have to implement something, so let me put to do there, right? I think this is how to do works. To do, how to put a to do control I. And I to put to do. No, this bro, I just want to highlight the to do. This is not highlighting the to do. But yeah, for now, I'll just keep it like this. There is a way that you can highlight the to do basically. But not sure what they were. So whenever you are requesting a ride, we need to somehow notify the driver. So that is one of the function, notify the drivers. But meanwhile, that I'll skip for now. That is something I have to implement. And then public void. Uh, Himandri, bro, what do you mean? It will be or it is helpful? Bro, I have already attached resources here. I have even attached my Excali notes that I use. All the resources, bro, that I personally used, I have kept it open here. And this link, I have put it in the chat. So feel free to use those. And feel free to like and subscribe the channel if you find it helpful. No, bro, Arindam Datta, there is no need to share. He's already in the club, I think. But he is not able, he doesn't know how to join the, he's already there in the channel. But if you just go to description and then click on discuss. So what I was asking you, Arindam Datta, is to tell him to how to join the group chat section, club section, right? The one is where I can only post the message. But if you click on the discuss section, then you guys can also post the message. So where you ask all your doubts. So that is something that he is not able to find out. So just wanted to tell you that. But yeah, if you are listening, I think now he has joined. Finally, bro, you figured it out. Yeah, he figured it out finally. So accept ride is that driver, and then you have a ride, and the ride is good. So two things, right? First, we need to make the driver busy. Uh, so ride dot, do I not have a set driver? So these are the three things that you need to do, right? And then you can notify the passenger, right? Give the notification to the passenger. So we can also have a OTP logic, right? We missed OTP logic to start the ride. That also could be there, but for now, let's just say that we will start the ride. So if we start dot ride is, let's say, not for now, but the next function that is important is like what will happen once you complete the ride, right? So let's say you have accepted the ride and then complete the ride. Again, I am not adding validations here. So what we would do is like ride status. First, we need to process the payment, right? So whenever you want to complete the ride, so driver, that user has to make the payment after that, right? So you can say like ride dot set status, ride status dot completed, and then you can probably calculate the fare, right? That would be next thing, and then process the payment. These things would be very similar to what we just did in here also, right? Make driver available, right? Uh, yeah, that's all. Mark, that's all. I think these three steps. So it will be very similar to what we did here, order thing. But yeah, okay. Okay, cool guys. I know like the code is not that much complete, but yeah, Uber is like kind of a big one to design. So I'll probably push this code if anyone needs it, they can use it. So see you guys everyone at night. Take care. Bye bye. Nitin Dayal, if you are still watching, I can answer your question. I have like 5 minutes. I need to drop off at 5:45, but if you have any boiling questions, I can answer those. If do you have any questions, feel free to ask. But if you're not there, then also it's fine. I'll just end the stream at 5:45. Saurav Kadar, bro, I have to take drop just. Bro, what do you like want me to suggest Saurav Kabade? Like uh MCA, you're not getting good college, so bro, everything is here, bro. Everything is here, brother. Harvinder Singh. Everything is in this link, bro, and this link is in the chat. You just have to go to this Elegant Engineer LLD. That's it. Go there, bro. Click on it. That's it, bro. You got it, Harvinder, or shall I copy paste it? Let me know in chat if you still want me to copy paste it. I can copy paste it. But I think you should be able to find it now. No, no, no. It's not on my GitHub, bro. It is on Elegant Engineer. No, no, that's fine, bro. That's fine. Harvinder, what do you do, bro? You are working or you are in college? Bro, due to college, is there any, bro, it depends on like if you are from tier 3, you have to work hard. So you have to like you can do really good code forces like study for 10 hours and then like do that. That would be first option. Or in the end, it's like how much effort you are willing to put, right? That's the only point. But this is like sort of this is something that you should discuss probably offline, like probably have a like a good discussion around this because your next couple of years would depend on either you do MCA or either you do something else, right? So it's not like any simple advice that I can just give on top of my head. I'm work. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, bro. Nice. So you are preparing for switch. All the best, bro. Ayush Rao, bro, are you placed or what? If you are not placed, then you should focus on applying and doing DSA. Feel free to like the stream, guys, if you find it helpful. But yeah, okay, bye bye. Take care, everyone. Thank you.